Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to focus on the Maingano Cichlid or the Melanochromis cyanarabdos. These are a small but stunning African cichlid from Lake Malawi. They're one of the Mbuna cichlids, which means rockfish. Manganos are found inhabiting the shallow rocky shores in the northern areas of Lake Malawi. These fish are a dark blue coloration with lighter blue horizontal stripes. The females are very similar, they just have a slightly lighter color and a shorter pelvic fin. Their natural habitat has a lot of shallow rocky shoreline with highly oxygenated waters that have an abundance of small rocks and caves and crevices. So when you're setting up your tank, you will definitely want to think about having a lot of rock structures and hiding places for them. They are slightly on the more aggressive side. How many African cichlids aren't aggressive? So you're going to want to keep them in a smaller group, especially if you're breeding them. You're going to want to set up an aquarium that gives them plenty of open area to swim, but also has a combination of plenty of rock formations and caves and different crevices that they can get in and claim as their own, as they are a territorial fish. They'll also dig in your substrate, which for substrate you're going to want a sandy substrate. They sell cichlid sand. You can also get away with pool filter sand or play sand as well. Temperature wise, you're going to want to keep them between 76 and 84 Fahrenheit, though some people have kept them as low as 74 before. Personally, I keep mine at 79 to 80 depending on ambient temperature. pH, they're going to want to be in the mid 7s to low 8s, so a range of 7.5 to 8.6. I keep mine at about 7.5, 7.6. They're going to max out at around 5 inches, so you're probably not going to want to try and do these guys in anything smaller than a 55, though people have done smaller tanks with them. Diet-wise, Manganos are pretty much vegetarians, so you're going to want something that's a high veggie diet, something in this form of a spirulina flake. You can, if you have duckweed, you can sun dry it, put that in your tank, they'll eat that. Things like blanched spinach. They're on the easier side to breed. You can do a small group, one male to about 2 or 3 females, in about a 30-gallon tank, but that's a discussion for another video. Overall, these fish are one of the easier African cichlids to keep, and I personally have noticed not too much aggression in the 4 that I have. I do keep them in a group of 4 with some yellow labs and rusties as well. So these fish are going to give you a nice pop of color to any Mbuna tank or smaller African cichlid tank that you want to plan on having or already have set up. But when you do add new fish to an African cichlid tank, there's a whole process, but again, that'll be another video. So for all these reasons, I'm going to give the Maingano Cichlid a 6.5 out of 10, just because they need a slightly bigger tank, and they do have that possibility of showing aggressive tendencies. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you've kept these guys, what you've kept them with, if you've had success, not so much luck with them. Remember again to subscribe if you are not already, and I will catch you guys in the next video.